ban prepare daki line department.
The Joint Action Committee, JAC, comprising of NGOs and traditional institutions, have expressed concern over an Assam-based organization allegedly threatening to dismantle a statue of Jesus Christ and other Christian symbols at the Sacred Heart Secondary School, Marmen, in the Bhoi district. In a formal complaint addressed to the Bhoi Deputy Commissioner, the JAC leaders condemned Assam's Sanmilita Sanatan Samaj for interfering into the affairs of the school at Marmen. They also urged the district police to initiate a thorough investigation against the leaders of the Karbi Traditional Faith Association and take appropriate action against them for threatening the school. The JAC called for the deployment of police personnel in the area to prevent any untoward incident in the near future.
Joint Action Committee.
Yang akan dijinja kadon sisa kata tenangi kerpat akibat kaan kunju aga district administration makin sebah bantik bah habide batkane kwa yang disuk kandon kumujulong barbar apa jogate kathan marman area ya BC ula yang ka asuran kababiang bad ula kular yang ban yarap ban tha ki police personal ban investigate habide batkane kam
In Bangladesh, at least 43 people, including 26